So, Shavyfxhub. So, I want to first of all look at the daily once again, and let's refresh our mind and share my perspective once again on daily time frame. Or let's better still, we look at it from a weekly standpoint. And on a weekly, we are on a heavy bullish candle on the weekly time frame, and we face immediate structure on weekly, which we already broke. So we must also look at that. That we broke a level on a weekly time frame. So let's look at it on daily. That broken weekly supply roof is now a demand floor for today. And another key thing to look at is to take note of the key demand floor. Or let's start from here. We have upswing. This is a demand structure. This is a break of a supply roof. This is a retest. This is a retest. This is a break of a demand floor, and this is a retest. So it depends on how you want to see it. It all depends on how you want to see it. But this looks like what it is. So I have looked at this structure with precision, and it looks like we are reversing from here. I don't know what to say, but this is just what I see. First retest after break of structure on daily time frame. Second retest, and the price could be coming down. So for now, there is no true buy confirmation. The buy confirmation of the moment will come from break of the structure. Then you can now wait for a portable retest, and you go high. So you wait an opportunity like this. So price has to return here. This is a buying floor, a true daily buying floor. So that's your buy confirmation. So every other thing we are doing, forcing the market to buy from the bottom, it's a technical gamble. It's not aligning with the principles of buy and sell. Every buy and sell must have a confirmation. Anything outside that is anxiety and possibly trade gambling. So certain characters, certain things a trader do, it becomes gambling. So we must get a confirmation. After the confirmation, then you can now go in for the big push. For now, we are not getting any confirmation for for that big push. For now, you aren't getting it. So another thing I want to look at is on 4 hours. I want to look at the structure. So to guide us in our analysis, price built up a structure, an ascending bullish channel, and we had a breakout. So this giving a double sell confirmation. So at the moment, price have more of sell confirmation than buy. From where price is, we have more of sell confirmation than buy confirmation. This is a second sell confirmation from the structure of the market. From the structure of the market, we have a build up of bullish ascending channel, and we had a breakout followed by a retest. This is retest 2, this is retest 3. So it all boils down to the same thing I earlier said. Our buy confirmation will come from the presence of liquidity that will ultimately break this structure. In fact, a break above this structure, hold on to 100,000. Anything above 100,000 before you now look for a way to come out of the buy idea. So this is what we have. So you see, our buy confirmation has not been confirmed. So based on this, the price can turn everybody to a seller. Yes. So if you're a liquidity trader, you have very huge capital, you have no reason to rush to get into this market for a buy. You could lose money. You could lose money. You could lose money. You want to buy into momentum. You want to buy the market into momentum. You want to wait till the market to get into momentum. So you buy into momentum. And that this is a very strong, it is a very strong trap. And it has also provided a clue to the current buy, which I also shared. I shared that buy idea, though I was not interested in it earlier. And lately, we started picking interest in the price action of BTC, and the price action is really moving well. And so I shared this. If you make reference, go check my previous post where I shared this buy structure, and now we are having here sell. And it makes a whole lot of sense that market will take correction after this heavy bullish move. Most likely, this market might be heading on for a correction. The probability is very, very high. It's very high. So, but one of the things we look at is we'll try to play out on a 4-hour structure which the market presents. And if you look at a 4-hour structure, we have found a critical demand to continue upswinging. And it doesn't take away what the market will do next. So this is the structure that have given us that buy courage. But however, the impulse on Friday is showing a sell impulse. So I think the worst that can happen is that price came down here, peak liquidity. If price gets back here, it might be a sell from this level. It might really be a sell from that level, except buying potential finds a way to break above this ascending trend line. A break above this ascending trend line will now be a true buy confirmation where you can now go high. So if this doesn't happen, there is no way you are going to buy on technical. Yeah, you can buy because you want to buy, but you're not buying as a technical trader. So there is a difference between trading because you want to trade and trading as a technical trader. They are not the same. So if you're a technical trader and you're watching me, please come to the comment section and tell me if this is right or wrong. Yes, I want to hear it is right or it is wrong. That is what we want to hear. So this is another structure that's a support structure married by successful supply roof test. So indicating that if we have an upswing, this is where your take profit will be. So if we return into this zone, price could technically move into 103. And into 103, here it begins to seek a significant sell-off at this roof. This makes it an important supply roof that have held price so many times. We had series of strong consolidation on this roof after breakout structure. Price have come here to retest it, and we have done so 3 times before price ultimately breaking out from the bullish ascending channel, and we retested it once and had another retest, and that retest was the final push which we had, and push price to a new low, and we are confronted by the same challenge the first time, and price also contested it again. And if price makes its way back here, I think the price might be broken, and a break of this structure is a clear indication of uptrend. So that means that the price want to move from a 96 into additional maybe 5,000 or 6,000 points from here. But from what I see from technical standpoint, it's not looking like a strong buy from this level. Market may want to recover from this. Market may want to recover from this technically. But one of the things that also boost our courage is to see that we have a descending trend line breakout. So a descending trend line breakout, of course, is the presence of buying pressure. And we had the structure here. So it becomes also another buy floor in the future that if price returns and we will hold you responsible for a potential buy opportunity at this level. So we'll be watching it to see if buyers fail to break this level and uptrend and get us into 103, then price will ultimately return, and a return of price will in in the same fashion see it begin to come down like the way you have here. And if that happens, most likely price may want to take away this because this is already a buy trap. This is a buy trap, and the price may want to take it out and take away of that buy trap. We ultimately return price to the descending trend line breakout. This is a descending trend line breakout where we had our, so it looks like it is, and the price is retracing just like I earlier said. So, and it is what it is, and it's just technically what it is after price moving about 60 pip, and I'm seeing significant retracement in price. And I don't know what causing that, but I'm just trying to see that what price is doing now is not different from what the structure is saying. That this is a technical resistance, and price is pulling back significantly. It's pulling back. It's pulling back significantly. So it's pulling back significantly, and so this is what we have for BTC US DT. Is what we have. So let's hope that price manages to push into 95, into 95, into 96. Guide yourself and find a way and take your profit. There is a probability that it could be a sell from that level. Yes, the probability is very high that the market has already decided on what to do and it could pull down from there based on what the structure has done. We have a bullish ascending channel, we had a breakout and a retest, and we have a second retest and a third retest. So if the current buying doesn't push itself above the structure, then it means that the buying momentum is poor. But however, we have liquidity that pushes itself above the structure, then we are set for a big payday. So a push above the structure will come retest here and move price into 103. And nobody can actually say if this is what will happen or not, but we're optimistic that we are able to look at the chart and say what the chart is doing. So that is all we can say for now. And let's watch and see if our analysis is right or wrong. But I believe our analysis is right. Our analysis is right. That is what I believe. So